In this video, I'll show you how to switch back to the old app icons on iOS 26. If you don't like the new icon style, this will help you fix it. First, press and hold on any app icon. Tap Edit Home Screen. Now tap Edit in the top left corner. Select Customize. Here, switch the style back to default. You'll instantly see the app icons change back to the classic look. Tap anywhere to exit. If the icons still look too shiny or glassy, open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Try enabling Reduce Transparency or Increase Contrast. You can turn them on or off to see which look you prefer. Now go back to Settings. Tap Display and Brightness. Open Liquid Glass. Switch between clear and tinted to reduce the new icon effect. And that's it. You've switched back to the old app icons on iOS 26. Like the video if this helped. Subscribe for more iOS 26 tutorials.